Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about the gas price. So how much do we have to pay whenever that we want to send from one account to another. So in this example, you can see that this is the gas price or the gas fee that we will need to pay, right? Sending from the account to this account, and this is the amount of the ether that is sent. And here you can see this is the amount of ether that the account 1 have to pay, okay, and this is equivalent to this amount of whey. So to understand this better, I bring up this website, so ifconverter.com, and when I enter 1 ether, then it's equal to this amount of whey, or it's equal to this amount of whey. Okay, so there's a lot of zeros here, as you can see, and if I were to put number 1 in whey, it's equal to this amount of ether or this amount of whey. And the same thing, if we were to put this, then 1 whey, it's equivalent to this amount of ether, 0.00, right? There's a lot of zero here. So now I want to basically send from one account to another. So this is the account number 1, and I also have the account number 2 here as well. In this case, you can see I have 0 ether. Also, I want to mention that this is the Ringbit test network. Okay, so to send from account number 1 to account number 2, first I need to copy the address of account number 2. Now let's go back to account number 1, and this is the amount of ether that I have. It's 0.29. Okay, so to send, just click on this icon here and paste the address of the account number 2. And this is the amount of ether that I want to send to the account number 2. So I'm going to just put this as 0.1 ETH and then click on the next button. Okay, so here this is the estimated gas fee, and you can see we will need to pay approximately this amount of ether, right? And I can also click on the edit here as well. There's 3 options, so it can be low, it can be medium, or we can also select high. With the low here, it is likely to fail. So if I click on this, how should I choose, right? Click on this, you can see it's explain everything. So for the high option is the best for the time sensitive transactions. Okay, if a sword takes so long to process, it may fail, and it result in losing some of the gas fee. Okay, this is for the basically the low. If this lower fee gas fee, it should be only used when processing time, it is not that important. And for medium, it is good for sending and withdrawing or the other non-sensitive transaction. Okay, so there are 3 options right here. So now let's just go back here, click on the edit again, and if I select low, you can see it may be in 30 seconds, or it may also be delayed or also fail as well. So if I select the medium, then it likely to be sent to account number 2 in less than 30 seconds. If I click on the high here, it can be sent to the account number 2 in less than 15 seconds. So make sure that if you select one of these, right, keep in mind that if it is the high option, then you will have to pay more gas fee, and low, it pay less gas fee. It's the least one. And there's an option here, it says the advanced options. So click on these options. You can also see the amount maximum fee for the whey, right? And this is about 2 whey, and change to low. Let's just go back. Then this is the amount, and if I select high, then go back here, we can also see this is the amount of whey if we were to choose the high. So in this example, let's just choose high and then click on the save button. And this is the estimated gas fee that likely to be sent in 15 seconds. And now let's just click on the confirm. Okay, so now it's pending. I can also click on this and view it in the Etherscan as well. So you can see that it is indexing, and this is the value that I sent. So 0.1 Ether with the gas fee, which is right here. Okay, so after waiting for several seconds, then you can see the status is saying success. And now let's check this account. So account number 1, you can see I sent this amount of Ether 0.1 to account number 2. Now let's check the account number 2. Now I received 0.1 Ether from the account number 1 with the gas price way. Let's again check account number 1. Click on this, and this is the total amount of the Ether that I need to send from account 1 to account 2, because this is again what? This is the gas fee that I will have to pay. Okay, so yep, I hope you understand a little bit more about the gas fee, how it works, and how to convert from 1 Ether equivalent to how much of the weight or it weigh, right? So now that's it for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one.